Hey everybody, welcome back to How to Renovate. I'm Tyler Few with Terraform Ministries and we're back at the Shea Lane project. As you can see, the house is done. Finally, we got her done. Come a little further. Not quite done. We're going to add a garage to this house. So basically what we want to do is we're going to explain to you how we put an addition or a garage onto a currently completed home. The look is going to be basically the same as the original garage. It's going to be mirrored on this side. It'll make the house appear as a U-shape. I think it'll be a great complement to the house. Okay, so once we had the footings done and poured, we had to strip the forms. Now we're into the framing stage. So at that point, we're now stick frame, basically off the top of the footings. You have your sill gasket underneath your plate. Now we started to actually form up the walls of the garage. Behind us here, we're gonna have a side door, which is a man door. We're gonna have a window at the front. So basically I'm building the identical garage, just in a bit smaller form. We didn't have the depth because of our property line. So we're about 19 feet deep on this garage, where I think that one was about 24. We also have a breezeway. The city required this for us to put the breezeway in and connect it to the house. So we'll have a door here, basically a hallway, which will lead into the house to be connected. So as I'm coming out of the garage, we'll have a door behind us leading into the garage. We have 1, 2, basically 3 windows, which is going to basically light up and let light into this hallway we had to create. This door will come out. This will just lead into the existing house, which is the dining room. This half of the door becomes a man door, which will match the other entry doors to the house. We have 3 windows in the hallway to let natural light in. And then basically here is where we're going to come into the backyard. So all these man doors will basically match the same as what we have on the shed, the front door, and the other man door. Basically come out in the backyard, and then this will be the outdoor living space. As you can see, the guys have now been putting the foundation sealer on. You can also see we've got the openings for our pipe inspection. That drain there, the one that's open, still needs to be connected. That's for the down pipes. That will collect any roof water. So we do have to make a couple of connections and some adjustments to that. And then basically we'll be able to call for all our inspections for the underground work.